Hey y'all, your girl is looking crazy, but that's okay. Good morning. It's early in the morning. I decided I wanted to show y'all me styling up baby girl with my, what's her name, and set it off. What's her name, Cleo? What was her name and set it off? I can't remember. But I got my braids in. The girls is busted. I literally put these braids in 2 days ago. It's been raining outside. You know, natural, y'all know how it work. I frizzed up. Mind you, my hair been straight I straightened my hair probably like 3 weeks ago. So it's starting to show that it's, natural, because all of the frizziness is starting to come through. The humidity is turning up on me. It's really doing it. So got my girls, all my stuff. This is what I'm gonna be using to put baby girl in my head. Also an edge control brush. Let's get into it. Let's do it. I got my crimp iron right here. I'm gonna show y'all this when we get downstairs, but let's go. Let's go take baby girl downstairs and let's get it started. I'm gonna show y'all how to install her and what I'm gonna do to her. Stay tuned. Stay tuned for the glow up. That's what we're gonna say. Stay tuned for the glow up, bitch. Okay? So what? I'm about to lay this shit down and I'm about to show y'all how I put this cap on. I get to me a dark chocolate cap because my hair is so blonde. Look how white my hair is. Like, I finally found my dark cap and I'm gonna put this on, and this is gonna be the cap that I use. On this side, laying down this side. Now I'm gonna come on this side, laying on this side. You like my hair like this? You want me to be loud? Look. Skin. I am not your wait, what you said? I am not your expectations. No. Yeah. It's so funny when she be asking that. Bald as fuck. It's not super perfect, but it's a little something. So this is how I apply my cap and do my little ball cap method. Yeah, I didn't do the cutting perfect. I literally just did it like this. Yeah, I'm just trying to hurry up because it's almost time to go get my kids. So real quick, I'm going to prepare the wig and then I'll come back showing y'all how I put it on too. He over here messing. Okay, so now I'm about to start towards the front. Now when I get towards the front, I do have another curling iron that I use. If you don't have a hot comb, you can get a really big curling iron like this. The one that I'm using is the Ion brand. I love Ion. Ion needs to really call me because I got some really good ideas. But this is the Ion. And what I do is in the front, instead I take piece by piece and I lay it flat. So you would be spraying and laying. So you spray, lay, and you don't even need this to be that high, but since I'm already using 450 for the crimps, I'm just gonna go in on 400 to lay the roots flat. You could do 450 if you want to. I'm just not. If it do look a little big up top, it's okay, so that it can look more like big hair, poofy or whatever. Not like a lump or anything, because you do know I got really thick hair, but just if you want that like thick natural look, then you can do that. So I'm about to heat this up now. That's the newest we just bought. Whew. Sponsor me, Sprite. They can't see you doing that. Okay, not too loud, okay? But y'all are fine. Okay, so I finished my wig and I'm about to throw it on. I put crimps all through the girl's hair. See? Crimps everywhere. I have not combed them out. I have this at the back like this, and all I'm gonna do is just go like this, like that, because the back of this wig has a clamp. So I'm gonna put the wig on and you're gonna be able to see cutting off some little bit of lace that I see. Because once I put it on, then I can really lay down the baby hairs how I want to. Cutting some long hairs. So I'm not, like I was telling y'all last time when I was putting my wig on, you can tint your lace and all of that. I have a really dark cap on, so I don't even think I'm gonna tint the lace, but I will put a tiny bit of makeup on the lace just to blend a little bit better. That's how my cap looks. So I'm about to put on my wig right now and y'all finna see. So this is how she looks. It's the same wig that I just had on the other day. It is a 13 by 6. This is before I even comb out the curls. So I'm gonna cut off a little bit more of this back leg, because you'll see some of that at the back. Cut that off so your neck don't be itching. So at the back, I have this like this because it has 2 combs right there. So I can put those combs underneath the back. The makeup I have is by Kiss, and it is the Photo Matte Powder Foundation, like that. And I got that from my local beauty hair supply store, so you can find it in there. And I'm just dabbing it on here. So I put some makeup on there. And now I'm about to show y'all how I put this on. So I put this on the back like this. My elastic band first. Like this. And the comb, I grab it. And I put it right underneath where those braids at. And I stab it, but don't stab it too hard, because then you're gonna get sore. Now, I done secured my back and it's not even glued. So then I bring it down some to where I'm comfortable to lay. So I'm gonna have this right here. And then this side, I'm gonna have, let me check something first. This part, I'm gonna cut a little bit off right here. I'm gonna show you how to do that. The part I'm talking about right here. I don't need that excess part right there, so I'm gonna cut a piece right there. So when I start laying it, I start in the middle when I spray it, and then I go side to side. So I don't start like on the ends and go around. I start middle, then I go down and down. So I'm gonna pull this. I got it where I want it. Make sure you adjust it first to your comfortableness, your comfortability, whatever, and then start laying this down. So I'm gonna start right here. I want it to be like right here, forward, and then I'm gonna just keep going all around. Make sure I got this forward too. I wanna make sure I'm covering the cap. So up here. But we're gonna start right here. And it's gonna feel a little, if it's your wig size, it's gonna feel a little tight. Okay. I make sure I pull my eyebrows down first. You can see me?
Yes.
I wasn't talking to you, I was talking to the video.
I know that.
Hmm? Don't worry about the baby hairs. They look crazy right now, but I'm gonna fix them. Literally just one coat. Okay, now I'm about to shape up these baby hairs a little bit and lay them down some. So I see over here, lace activity. So I put this oil spray. This is why I got this. It's a really light oil. As you can see, it look like water, but it's not water. This is a really light oil. And you know this ain't your real hair. Bitch, this a wig. But to get rid of those, since we used Gots to Be Glue spray and not glue, you might have a little bit of white residue. And for that, I just use this. And I spray just a little bit and I dap it. See? And I put it wherever I see that. I don't see it nowhere else. But if you see any little white crusty looking pieces, you would spray that right there. And I had it over here, so that's how it's looking now. Okay, now for the curls. So I have not combed these out yet, but I'm gonna take a little bit of spray on my hands. I had a little bit of white up there, so I'm putting it on there. I gotta wash my hands because I had a little bit of from that spray. You could either break them up like this, or you can use the comb. I'm gonna do the fingers and see how that look first. I want y'all to see that. This wig is only 18 inches. So it's about right here in my back. But I'm short, so that's kind of long on me. If I want, I could put it up. I put it all kinds of ways. Right now I'm just trying to be gentle because I'm excited. I got some videos to finish, and this is pretty much the end of this video. This pretty much wraps it up. This is the ending. Oh, my knee. I ain't like how that felt. Okay, that's the end of this video of me installing this wig. Sis, if you stuck to this whole thing, I'll switch you. Because this shit was long. It took us a long time to get here. But that's it. I actually parted it all the way to the back. But I more so would like it like right here. And then starting to get poofy right here. So it could be more flat. But it's big. It's a lot of hair, so. Okay, that's it. All right, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I might start slaying wigs with y'all. I don't know. I never really did it. I never really put on my wigs like that. So I might start doing that for y'all. If that's what y'all want to see, let me know in the comments and then I'll start. It's not flat enough. because I got so much hair underneath there. I guess it's fine. Okay, bye y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all in another video. Bye.